So we found Della's Kitchen and Bath on Angie's List and saw a lot of great reviews, so we decided to contact them, and Johan was our designer. He came out and we explained exactly what we were looking for, and he gave us a lot of different options and a lot of great assistance with that. And when we finally came up with our plan, it was no hassle, no pressure to go ahead and get the job done. They actually started 3 weeks ahead of time. Johan and Nelson and the crew showed up exactly on time, explained exactly what was going to happen. We were allotted about 5 weeks, got done in the project about 80% in about 3 weeks time, and it was great. We were actually able to start using our kitchen sooner than we expected. Everything was done completely to our satisfaction, and we knew if there was any issues, we could just contact Johan and it would get taken care of. We would definitely use Della's Kitchen and Bath again, and we hope to be using them soon when we remodel our bathroom.